Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. So, we are discussing the chapter respiratory system. Today, we are going to discuss different parts of the respiratory system. So, human respiratory system comprises of different organs that help in the passage of air from atmosphere or from our environment to our lungs. Okay. So different organs are there: nose, pharynx, trachea or our windpipe, then lungs, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli. Okay, so these different organs together make up our respiratory system. So let's see first about our nose, and this is the first organ. So whenever the air comes from the environment, it enters our body through our nose. Okay, so nose has two openings. These are called the nostrils. They lead into a air of nasal chambers. Two nasal chambers we have. The nasal chambers are lined with hair to filter air entering into it. So inside our nasal passage, very small and minute nasal hairs are there. Why? To trap dust particles. Okay, and the mucus also secreted within the nasal passage to trap the germs and the dust particle that enter in our nose during the breathing process. Next organ after the nose, that is pharynx. So the nasal pathway opens into a common passage called pharynx for air to enter from the nose. Okay, and this is also common for the digestive system also, and the food to enter from the mouth. Okay, so that is a common, both the air and the food. So this pharynx lead to two tubes. Okay, one is trachea in the front and the esophagus that at the back. Okay, so a flap like structure, the means the epiglottis that guards the entry of food pipe and the windpipe. Okay, and it prevents the food from entering into the windpipe by closing it while we are swallowing food. So trachea is a part of our respiratory system, and esophagus, that is a part of our digestive system. Next is the trachea. So trachea runs down the neck region and above it, and it is a small tube-like structure called the larynx. Okay. So after pharynx, the structure that is larynx. So larynx is also known as our voice box, and it is present after the pharynx. So it has vocal cords to produce sound. Trachea connects the larynx to bronchi of the lungs. The walls of the trachea are supported by several C-shaped cartilaginous rings. Cartilage, we have cartilage, this flexible bone-like structures. So they prevent the trachea from collapsing and allow the air to reach our lungs without any obstruction.